Good morning everyone. Today I explain the conducting organic polymers, synthesis and properties of polyaniline, polypyrrole and applications of conducting organic polymers. What is conducting polymers? The polymers which can conduct the electricity are known as conducting polymers. The electricity passed through them one point to another point, known as the conducting polymers. For example, polyaniline, polypyrrole. Conducting polymers, the opposite of polymer, insulator of polymers. They which can not conduct the electricity are called as a insulator polymers. For example, polymers like rubber and plastics. So, conducting polymers, principle of conducting polymers. They must have extensive conjugation of pi bonds and easily oxidize and easily reduce. For example of pyrrole, look this pyrrole in polymerization reaction to give polypyrrole an alternate double bond and this conjugation pi bond alternate. Okay. Conducting polymer. There are two examples, polyaniline and polypyrrole. First of all, explain to polyaniline. Polyaniline is known as pani. P-A-N-I, pani. Polyaniline that has been extensively used as a conducting polymers. And band gap in the reduced and oxidized form of a polyaniline are a 4.3 and 2.3, 2.7 electrovolt respectively. Instructively, conductive polymers used in a various applications and including the drug delivery, photovoltaic cells, plastic batteries and display devices, microelectronics, chemically modified electrodes, corrosion protections and polymer light emitting diode displays. Okay. Synthesis of polyaniline. Synthesis of polyaniline. First beaker 250 ml of beaker. First beaker added to ammonium persulfate 5 gram dissolved in a 50 ml of 1 point molar of SCl and plus second beaker 250 ml of in added to aniline 2 ml dissolved in 50 ml of 1.0 molar HCl. Okay. First beaker added to 5 gram of ammonium persulfate and 50 ml of 1.0 ml HCl. This solution is added by second beaker slowly and this solution with a vigorously stirring. And second beaker is at a temperature is a 0 degree Celsius. Okay, to give the polyaniline powder, green color is formed. And this after the polymerization reaction, this resulting mixture is filtered and washed successively using 1.0 molar HCl followed by double distilled water and several times until the washing and becomes colorless. And this finally the residue wash used with acetone and dried at 60 degree Celsius. Okay, synthesis of polyaniline. Polyaniline and polymerization reaction. Aniline reacted with HCl catalyst to give the anilinium chloride. Aniline nitrogen of lone pair react with a hydrogen, accept the hydrogen intermediate to give the anilinium chloride. Anilinium chloride react with ammonium persulfate to give the polyaniline. So product two types of form polyaniline chain, quinoid and benzoid. Quinoid and benzoid. Quinoid structure nitrogen benzene to attach double bonds, and benzoid form single bond attached to benzene ring but nitrogen present have a hydrogens, one hydrogen present. Bracket quinoid complete to X denoted and benzoid in bracket structure to denoted by 1 minus X. Okay, so short form this reaction, aniline reacted with the ammonium persulfate to give the polyaniline. Different forms of polyaniline. Liosio-maridine X is equal to 0 is complete reduced contain only NH groups, and this product is form colorless. Colorless product is a insulator form. याचा कलरलेस प्रॉडक्ट असेल तो कसा असेल, इन्सुलेटर फॉर्ममध्ये आहे आणि कम्प्लिटली रिड्यूस आहे. कंटेन्स ओनली NH ग्रुप. इथं काय बेन्झाईड ग्रुपमध्ये पॉलिॲनिलीन फॉर्म येतील आणि त्याचा कलर कसा असणार आहे कंपाऊंडचा, तर कलरलेस. इमरलेडिलिन बेस X इज इक्वल टू 0.5. Partially oxidized and not neutralized and contains both NH and nitrogen group. Compound color is a blue, and this compound form of a insulator polymer. And immerledine salts X is equal to 0.5. And this partially oxidized, neutralized and contain both nitrogen, NH and nitrogen group, and color compound is a green, and this compound is a conductor. Both nitrogen and quinoid फॉर्म मध्ये आणि बेन्झॉइड फॉर्म मध्ये कंपाऊंड आहे, बट कम्प्लिटली न्यूट्रलाइज झालेला आहे. NH वरती काय आहे, ह्या ठिकाणी कॅटायन फॉर्म मध्ये प्रोडक्ट आहे. ओके, लास्ट ग्रॅनी aniline X is equal to 1 completely oxidized contain only nitrogen group. सगळे बॉन्ड कसे आहेत, नायट्रोजन डबल बॉन्ड किनॉड फॉर्ममध्ये आहे, पर्पल कलर आहे, इन्सुलेटर फॉर्ममध्ये कंपाऊंड असेल. ओके, डिफरंट फॉर्म ऑफ ए पॉलिॲनिलीन. Chemical polymerization mechanism of polyaniline. There are three steps mechanism of polyaniline. First step initiation, second step propagation and termination. First step initiation, reacted with a starting material aniline in presence of initiator form of ammonium persulfate to give form free radical. And second step, propagation, free radical starting material in presence of monomer form aniline in acidic form and attack with a para position and chain of polymers. And next step of initiator in presence of ammonium persulfate to gives to radical form. And termination of step is stop this step and this reacted with the acidic form aniline to gives to polychain, and polychain is known as a polyaniline in product form. Okay. Next, properties of polyaniline. Polyaniline is transparent and stable material. It shows green color in conducting state. It turns to red under reducing condition and blue under oxidizing condition. And applications of polyaniline. Polyaniline is used in a sensor and PCB printed circuit boards, conductive fabrics, smart windows, and it used as a corrosion resistant. It used as a coating for films and semi-finished articles and in a rechargeable batteries. Polyaniline is used as a secondary electrode. Okay. Next example, polypyrrole. Polypyrrole is a type of organic polymer formed by the polymerization of pyrrole. Polymerization of pyrrole may be carried out chemically or electrochemically. It is a very good conducting polymer with a conjugated double bonds, and conducting polymer consists of number of connected pyrrole ring structure. Okay. Conjugating pyrrole consists of number of connected pyrrole ring. In the preparation, pyrrole is prepared by oxidation of pyrrole using ferric chloride in a methyl. Pyrrole reacted with the ferric chloride to use the polypyrrole. So in this reaction, pyrrole reacted with number of pyrrole and reacted with the ferric chloride to gives to polypyrrole. So there is a property of polypyrrole. Polypyrrole film is yellow in color but darken in air due to some oxidation. And second, undoped and doped films are in double in solvents but soluble. They are amorphous, showing only weak diffractions. They are stable in air up to 150 degrees Celsius. And fifth, it is an insulator, but its oxidized derivatives are a good electrical conductor. Okay. प्रॉपर्टी किती आहेत? 5 आहेत पॉलीपायरॉलच्या. नेक्स्ट, पॉलीपायरॉल ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ पॉलीपायरॉल. It is used as biosensors, gas sensors, light weight rechargeable batteries. It is used for manufacturing containers for proteins, so it can be used for drug delivery. And the blend of polypyrrole based polypyrrole protects corrosion of metals. It acts as a support for the catalyst used in fuel cells. It is used in a carbon composites due to its excellent thermal stability. Okay. Today I explained the conducting polymers and their example of polyaniline and polypyrols. Explain topic the complete. Okay. Thank you.